see. So, if you think in a more loyally fashion, you can put the universe on trial, you can put the cosmos on trial, and try to find out whether or not it is an accident or whether it's deliberate, whether it was made by a maker, created by a creator. So, putting the universe on trial for a second, let's see what the 5 arguments are. If you want to try to argue that it was made by a creator, the first is the argument from motion, and by motion I mean not just physical motion through time, but I also mean any kind of change.
Yep.
I both mean a billiard ball, the cue ball hitting the 8 ball, and I mean the acorn growing into an oak. Those are both types of motion. Okay?
Yep.
Now, in all of these arguments, I'm going to refer to an idea called infinite regress. And infinite regress means you can't explain something by offering an explanation that is itself unexplained, that in turn is only explainable in terms of another explanation that you can't explain. And you can't do that infinitely. You can't say A is caused by B, B is caused by C, C is caused by D, but what causes D? You can't have that go on infinitely, because then there's no reason for it. Let me use 1 or 2 examples just to make this clear, because this is often misunderstood. If you're in a car and you pull up to a railroad crossing, and you see one freight car after another zipping past the street you're in, and you can't see the head or the tail of the train, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And your child in the back seat goes, "Daddy, why is that car moving past us at 30 miles an hour?" Let's say it's a very intelligent young man, your son, and you say, "Well, car A is moving past us at 30 miles an hour because it's being pulled by car B, which is moving at 30 miles an hour." Okay, well, why is car B moving at that speed, Daddy? Well, because the car ahead of it, car C, is also 30 miles an hour. Okay, well, what is at the beginning of the train? If you say there is no beginning to the train, this train encircles the entire Earth on a railroad track with no beginning and no end and just speeds by at 30 miles an hour, okay, that's no answer. That means that 30 miles an hour is merely a given, a raw fact that you can't explain. It's a non-answer, okay? You can't just say the train car is moving because the one in front of it's moving, because the one in front of it's moving, because the one in front of it's moving, and so on and so forth. Ad infinitum. There's no ad infinitum. There has to be an engine that set the train in motion, that decided, someone had to decide that it was going to go 30 miles an hour and not 15 and not 60. Okay? Likewise, if you're in a car and you come up to a number line and your son in the back seat says, "Daddy, why is there a number line ahead of us?"